All right, I went out and cut a piece about 1 1/4 by 3/4 inches thick, in other words. And so we're not going to, I'll show you when I get through with it. All right, first thing you want to do is take this and on each side, just do this, okay? Just like that. And continue to go around it. And continue to go around it. Bringing the sides up. Now we're going to thin this up quite a bit. About what you would consider would be the size of a milk bottle. The top of it, in other words. Like that. Stop before you get it too small. Then you take and you start bringing this down. Bring all the sides down. Okay? There we go. Now milk, you know, it's going to have a little bit bigger of a spout, but we're just bringing this down, okay? Just bring this down. We kind of let me take this glove off. I'm sorry. When it gets this small, my hands, I don't want you to remove your glove, but my hands get to where I can't handle it. I can't hold it. When it gets so small, just can't. I can't do it. My hands are not good shape at times. Okay, now we're going to come up even more. There we go. See? See it? More like that, in other words. And we can even take it another notch. There we go. Like that. So you want to be just not too rambunctious, such a way, and we want to bring this down some more. I have to hold it, and I can't hold it with a glove. I can hold bigger things, but when it comes to small things, I really have and it's more dangerous for me to, if I can't hold it, than it is to, and I mean, I'm sorry, I believe in using carving gloves. I've always used them with you, but I have to admit, when it gets down to really small stuff, I really can't handle it. My hands won't allow me to handle it. So, and that doesn't mean that you can take your carving glove off or anything like that. I'm an experienced carver, and that doesn't mean that I can't hurt myself. Okay, it doesn't mean that. But I am an experienced carver, and I know my limitations when it comes down to it. Okay. Now we're going to come to the bottom. that. Okay. Keep bringing it down, just slowly, just keep bringing it down. Okay, see what I'm saying? Slowly getting it down, slowly working out the okay, and we want to keep bringing this down. Okay. Okay, we're getting down now where we want it. I want to get to, because I want to drill a little hole into this part here, and that's going to take up for some of it, in other words, like that. So we'll just sort of scrape this now as I go along here. Okay, all right. Now, where's my figure? Here it is. Now, a lot of people would say, well, you need to just let me go ahead and bring this hand down a little bit. It's too thick. Okay, let's look at it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this bottle in half. Is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut it in half on my bandsaw, and I'm going to put the top part up here and the bottom part down here, and I'm going to work it where it looks like it's in the hand. Okay, I'll probably gouge out a little hole here and gouge out one at the top here. And we'll work like that. And then once I get the bottle in there, then I will see where I have just enough sticking out here, if I cut it up in here, and then some sticking out of the bottom, in other words. Now, I could have carved the bottle onto the hand, but I'm showing you an easier way. I always like to carve always do better by carving my pieces separate from them, and so I'll show you once I get it done. I'll show you what I've done. Okay. All right. Well, let me go and cut this and get this ready. Let me go ahead and cut this arm thing here. Cut that right there. Okay, where that makes it look much better. And then I'm going to go and fix the bottle where it's sticking out, and I'm going to drill a little hole in here so that it looks like a milk bottle. Then I'll paint it white. Stuff. Okay, we'll be back.